studying in this video about the problem which is asked repeatedly in exam. That is, the student is eligible for admission or not. Well, I have made again video on flowchart. If you haven't watched, then please go and watch. Don't worry, I will provide a link in description box of previous video. And if you haven't subscribed this channel until now, then please go and subscribe to watch my further video. Now let's come our problem. This is the problem which we'll solve today. The question is telling, write a flow chart using Flowgorithm to find eligibility of admission for a professional course based on the following criteria. Right? For eligibility criteria, what they give? Marks in mathematics is greater or equal to 65. Mark in physics is greater or equal to 55. And mark in chemistry is greater or equal to 50. And in all subjects, they give greater or equal to 190. Or total in mathematics and physics gave 140. And they also gave the sample test for test to keep a data. If you will keep this all, then your output should become the candidate is not eligible for admission. Okay, now we will start in flowchart. Okay, what to us what gave, we'll see this. Here give eligibility criteria. For the first, what should we do? We should go on declare box. Then what gave information, we should keep that. Math gave, I'll write yum for math, right? For physics, I'll write P. Again for chemistry, C. And total all three subjects means yum, P, C. Mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Or total in mathematics and physics and also yum, P. This is the all the information we have kept. Did do okay. Now ask to computer to give a enter. If you look this, then it will be better. Right? Physics mark. Enter the physics mark. Yes, Y, yes, I see, yes, physics mark. Okay. Double quote closes. Now keep here, go here and keep in input P. P for physics. Just copy this and paste here. And paste here. Now keep physics kept, now chemistry. Right? Chemistry. CHEMISTRY. Chemistry mark. Now what you will do here? Go on input and write C. Simple. Now again copy this and paste here. What you will keep here? For math. Chemistry we have kept now for math. Yum for yum, A-T-S-E, yum, M-A-T-S-E, yum, A-T-I-C-S, mathematics, right? We have kept all the information. Now give input for math, yum. Okay. Now, what the question telling for eligibility criteria? Mark in mathematics is greater or equal to 65. This will be on if control. In if decision, you have to take a decision. This will be eligibility or not. Okay. For math, what gave? For math greater or equal to, math is greater or equal to 65. Then false true side, what it will be? The student is eligible. False side, what it will be? The student is not eligible. The student is the student is not eligible. Not eligible. The student is not eligible. For true side, for now it will be go on processing. because for eligibility criteria, this all the information is given. So again, go on if side. If gave us mark in physics is mark in physics. What the question is telling, write, just write that. Just write that. Physics is greater equal to 55. Just copy this and paste here in false side. The student is not eligible. Right? Now for true side, again go on if for physics it is happening. Now go on mark in math chemistry. For means C is greater equal to 50. Right? Then false side what it will be? Just copy this and paste here. Okay? Just paste here. Now what we will do? For again what gave? Total in all three subjects. Means total in all three subjects MPC. We should write MPC. Write assign, go on assign and write for MPC. Total means add sum of M plus P plus C. Okay. Again to us give for what? For MP. Give for MP. Go on assign. Go on assign and write MP here. Means sum M plus P. Now what the question is telling? Total in all three subjects is this much or total in this much. Means total in all three subjects. Here we should go in if. In what? If. Then we'll do total in all three subjects. Means MPC. MPC. Or we can write M plus P plus C is greater or equal to how much give to us? Is greater or equal to 190 or total in mathematics is greater or equal to 140. We'll write this now. Equal to greater or equal to 190 or we have to keep this symbol. Okay. Or we have to keep this symbol for or. Now MP or M plus P, anything you can write as your wish because we have assigned here. Okay. I'll write MP or MPC because I have write MP because you will know this. This also we can write and this also we can write. MP is greater or equal to how much given that time? 140. Right? Now for this we have kept every information. Look, we have kept this much every information. This is the information of eligibility criteria. So we should keep here. So this first copy this and for false side right paste here. And this also copy here and paste here. In true side what it will be? The student is eligible. Okay. Now our program is completed. Everything we have kept. Now we have to check the sample data. If our output will become not eligible for admission, then our output is right, our program is right. Otherwise, it is wrong. Okay. Understood? I'll keep this here. I'll keep this here. Okay. Now what forgive? Enter the physics mark. Physics mark is 65. We'll enter here 65. Enter. Chemistry mark 51. 51. Enter. Mathematics marks 72. 72. Enter. The student is not eligible. Give. We have to took out the student is not eligible. Our program is completed. Okay. The student is not eligible for admission. I have read the student is not eligible. If you want write admission and write admission, the student is not eligible for admission. Just write here. The student is not eligible for admission. The student is not eligible for admission in this, and the student is eligible for admission. Same it will come that. Okay. This our program is completed. Okay. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then please go and subscribe to see this type of interesting video. If you want again this type of video, then please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you.